Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here again, speaking about one of my favorite companies and one of my favorite supplements. Got in my hand, you got it, Berkeley Life NOxBP Complex. I'm speaking about these because I love what they do. Listen, the folks who originally did the nitric oxide work won the Nobel Prize for the discovery of nitric oxide. Now, I know that's a little geeky on my part. You're thinking, really, Nelson, the chemical complex of the year? Well, it's a little bit more than that, but yes. One of the things that I want to begin is I want to start answering your questions. And then you'll have a whole chain of my videos to give you information on why I believe that nitric oxide is so incredibly important and why you, specifically using the Berkeley Life products, is so important. So the first question that I have here today is, how in the world do these two tablets, and there are many tablets in here, there's 60 actually, but how in the world do they improve your nitric oxide? Well, the key ingredients in this are green leafy vegetables and root vegetables, specifically beets. As a matter of fact, two tablets gives you the equivalent of 7.5 ounces of beets in one serving. So why is that important? It's important because, for example, beetroot vegetables are grown in the soil and they absorb what are called nitrates. And nitrates are converted in your mouth by bacteria, good bacteria, to nitrites, and then nitrites are converted into nitric oxide. And once again, I'll refresh this. I'm always going to give you some of these as repeats, but these tablets are very effective in dilating the vasculature, and that's important because many people suffer from what? If you guessed high blood pressure, you're exactly right. So by dilating the blood vessels, you get a decrease in many cases in blood pressure. Now, I don't want you to worry if you have normal blood pressure that you're going to have abnormally low blood pressure. It's not the way it works. Because what these do is they help you to establish proper levels of nitric oxide. So every day, you can increase your nitric oxide by exercising really hard like an Olympic athlete, which, let's get real, most of you aren't going to do that. Or you can eat lots of leafy greens like spinach and beetroot vegetables like beets. But let's also get real, most of you aren't going to do that either. So for as little as $29.95 a month, you can get 2 of these to take per day and dramatically improve your nitric oxide balance. And by doing so, you can substantially improve your health. Tune in. I'll be back to answer more of your questions.